Today I'm here to discuss the Asahi America engineered product called DuoPro, a double contained piping system. Here is an example of our product. Why should people use double contained piping systems? The simple answer is it protects the environment and people. DuoPro meets standard EPA CF40 sections 280 and 281 regarding double contained piping systems for chemical applications. So we also assist in meeting CERCLA. DuoPro is available in multiple sizes, 1x3 up to an 18 by 24 inch piping system. The product material is available in PE100RC, PE100 4710 IPS, polypropylene, PVDF, and Halar. The uniqueness of DuoPro allows you to mix and match materials. For example, here we have a Halar system that is surrounded by a PE100RC system. In this example, the customer is using sodium hypochlorite or bleach in the process Halar piping, surrounded by the HDPE 4710 PE100RC material that is capturing any potential leaks, meeting the EPA requirement of a 30-day containment system. Typical applications for DuoPro will be custody transfer, underground burial piping systems, any area where people may have come in contact with piping systems or leaks, above ground or underground applications. Typical chemical applications that DuoPro assists in is sodium hypochlorite, chlorine dioxide, sulfuric acid, cyanide, any harsh or environmentally unfriendly or deadly chemicals. The reason for DuoPro is very important in the environmental safety concerns is that if you do have a spill or a leak, the last thing anyone wants is has a visit by the EPA or a potential OSHA incident that an employee or personnel were in danger. Asahi America with our DuoPro piping system offers two forms of leak detection. The first form is a full line cable leak detection as seen here. This allows for the entire piping system to have a leak detection system that is monitoring the systems 24 hours a day, and if a leak does occur, it will trip a sensor running back to your PLC or your DCS system. The second version of our leak detection is a low point leak detection system. That is just like it sounds. It has a low point, you have a sensor that comes up, and it will either send a signal back to your control system or potentially have a red light that would flash off. The uniqueness of Asahi America's DuoPro piping system, we have custom configuration and custom fabrication. Our custom fabrication is an engineered design system that we can custom fit our products to meet your needs as an engineer or end user. We also do prefabrication, and the prefabrication will assist in your contractor to do minimal amount of welds in the field, and we can prefab that material to assist with the installation. For more information regarding Asahi America's DuoPro piping system, please contact us on our webpage at www.asahi-america.com